Thank you for trusting Rock Stopperz to help protect your windshield. Your windshield protection film kit comes cut to fit your specific model and includes almost everything you need to install it. Let's get started. While it is possible to install alone, working with a partner makes installation much easier. Try to work in a clean area that is dirt and dust free. In dustier areas, spray down the ground and surrounding area to limit the possibility of dust contamination. The cleaner your environment, the cleaner your installation will be. In hotter seasons, install during the cooler parts of the day and do not install outside under the hot sun. Do not install in freezing weather unless your vehicle can be kept inside a warmer area for 48 hours after installation. Make sure your hands are clean and keep your tools close by to enable you to work quickly enough to avoid premature drying and dust contamination during the installation process. Prepare your slip solution by mixing 3 to 5 drops of the included dishwashing soap with water in the provided spray bottle. Shake gently. You may need to refill your slip solution throughout the entire process. Be sure to rinse out the bottle between refills and reduce soap buildup. Assemble your squeegee by inserting the beveled end of the blade into the handle and tightening the screw with the provided Allen wrench. Move your windshield wipers to the open service position. Thoroughly clean the windshield and surrounding areas, including the A-pillars and hood. Use your slip solution and the provided scrub pad over the entire glass area in a small circular motion to remove any particulates. For more stubborn debris, you can use the provided plastic scraper blades and holder. Thoroughly clean the channel between the glass and the A-pillars. Use your squeegee to remove the soapy water from the windshield, starting with the top and moving left to right or right to left. If your windshield has a ceramic or hydrophobic coating, it will need to be removed before the installation. Please refer to the coating manufacturer's guidelines for removal. After your hood has been cleaned, roll your windshield protection film out across your hood with the film side down. The wider side should be closest to the windshield. Peel half of the release liner up off of the film while spraying your slip solution on the adhesive. Lay the release liner back on the film and repeat for the other side. If you are working with a partner, you can leave the film here until you begin the installation. If you are working alone, you will want to roll your kit back up with the film side out. You are now ready to begin the installation. You may need as much as half of the spray bottle worth of slip solution going forward. If needed, refill your slip solution now. Be sure to rinse your bottle out before adding more soap. Immediately before installation, spray your windshield completely and squeegee the soap solution off. Completely respray the windshield once more and move to applying the film to the glass. Avoid leaving any dry spots during this step. If working with a partner, remove the release liner while spraying the adhesive side of the film. Wet your hands and pick the top of the kit up and move to the glass, spraying more slip solutions as needed. If working solo, wet your hands and peel back a little bit of the liner to release the film. Place the film adhesive on the glass and slowly unroll by pulling the release liner in the direction the film needs to go. You will likely need to switch sides about halfway through to pull the last half of the kit to the opposite side of the vehicle. Guide the film to try to center the kit as you go and spray your slip solution liberally as needed. Once the kit is on the glass, you should be able to slide the film into a center position fairly easily. If you are facing any resistance, it is possible that you don't have enough slip solution between the film and glass, or you don't have enough soap in your solution. You can lift your kit one side at a time to spray more solution, and if needed, you can add a drop or two of soap to your slip solution. Once your kit is moving freely, center your kit as well as you can on the glass. There should be a slight gap all the way around. This is intended to allow for a little forgiveness in your installation and to prevent any failure points. Once positioned, spray the entire front face of the film kit with your slip solution. This will help lubricate the film while using your squeegee. Spray more as needed throughout the squeegee process. Using medium pressure, make a vertical squeegee pass down the center of your film Make a second pass over the same section using firm pressure. Starting from your initial tack area and using firm pressure, squeegee a horizontal pass in the center of one side of the windshield. Continue squeegeeing out all remaining water by using firm pressure and 50% overlapping passes. Start back at the beginning and make a second pass over the entire side. Inspect this side of the windshield protection film for any residual moisture pockets and squeegee out right away. Trying to do this after the film has begun curing may result in visible lines in your film. Repeat this process on the other side of the windshield. In warmer weather, or if too much time has passed, you may want to lift the film kit up on the second side and respray your slip solution. It may not be necessary, but you can also use a hairdryer or heat gun on low setting to help dry out your edges. You can also wrap a paper towel over your squeegee and re-squeegee the edges to draw any residual moisture away from the film. Leave your wipers in the open service position and let the film cure for 2 to 4 hours before driving. Let your film fully cure for 72 hours before washing your car, driving in the rain, and using your windshield wipers. And be sure to visit RockStopperz.com for more complete care instructions, product details, installation videos, and more. Thank you for watching.